Where are your toys?
My toys are in the basket.
Where are your toys?
My toys are in the basket.
When is your break time?
My break is at 11 a.m.
When is your break time?
My break is at 11 a.m.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like my school a lot.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like my school a lot.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Did you pack your water bottle?
Yes, I packed my water bottle.
Did you pack your water bottle?
Yes, I packed my water bottle.
Where is your school diary?
It's in my school bag.
Where is your school diary?
It's in my school bag.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath in the morning.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath in the morning.
Do you need my help?
Yes, I need help with my project.
Do you need my help?
Yes, I need help with my project.
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just thinking about something.
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just thinking about something.
Did you talk to your teacher?
Yes, I told my teacher everything.
Did you talk to your teacher?
Yes, I told my teacher everything.
Where is your jacket?
My jacket is in the closet.
Where is your jacket?
My jacket is in the closet.
Did you feed the pet?
Yes, I fed the pet.
Did you feed the pet?
Yes, I fed the pet.
Why are you running late?
I lost track of time.
Why are you running late?
I lost track of time.
Do you need money for lunch?
No, I already have enough money.
Do you need money for lunch?
No, I already have enough money.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling fine now.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling fine now.
Where are your books?
My books are on the desk.
Where are your books?
My books are on the desk.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate sandwiches for lunch.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate sandwiches for lunch.
Did you watch TV today?
Yes, I watched cartoons.
Did you watch TV today?
Yes, I watched cartoons.
What do you want for dinner?
I want rice for dinner.
What do you want for dinner?
I want rice for dinner.
Why are you so messy?
I was playing, so I made a mess.
Why are you so messy?
I was playing, so I made a mess.
Did you make your bed?
Yes, my bed is tidy.
Did you make your bed?
Yes, my bed is tidy.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my friend earlier.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my friend earlier.
Where are your school shoes?
My school shoes are in the cupboard.
Where are your school shoes?
My school shoes are in the cupboard.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep at 9:30 p.m.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep at 9:30 p.m.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm ready for tomorrow.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm ready for tomorrow.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
What do you want to eat?
I want a sandwich.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Would you like some water?
Yes, I would like some water.
Would you like some water?
Yes, I would like some water.
Have you finished eating?
Yes, I finished eating.
Have you finished eating?
Yes, I finished eating.
Do you want some dessert?
Yes, I'd love some dessert.
Do you want some dessert?
Yes, I'd love some dessert.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Is the food too spicy?
No, it's just right.
Is the food too spicy?
No, it's just right.
Do you want more?
No, I'm full.
Do you want more?
No, I'm full.
Why aren't you eating?
I don't feel like eating right now.
Why aren't you eating?
I don't feel like eating right now.
Would you like tea or coffee?
I'd like tea, please.
Would you like tea or coffee?
I'd like tea, please.
Did you try the soup?
Yes, the soup is very tasty.
Did you try the soup?
Yes, the soup is very tasty.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta for dinner.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta for dinner.
What's in the fridge?
There's some milk and eggs in the fridge.
What's in the fridge?
There's some milk and eggs in the fridge.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I washed my hands.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I washed my hands.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love fruits.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love fruits.
Which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Which is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, I'd like a snack.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, I'd like a snack.
Why don't you finish your meal?
I'm full, I'll eat later.
Why don't you finish your meal?
I'm full, I'll eat later.
Would you like some milk?
Yes, I'd like some milk.
Would you like some milk?
Yes, I'd like some milk.
Is the juice fresh?
Yes, the juice is very fresh.
Is the juice fresh?
Yes, the juice is very fresh.
How many slices do you want?
I'll have 2 slices.
How many slices do you want?
I'll have 2 slices.
What did you have for lunch?
I had pasta for lunch.
What did you have for lunch?
I had pasta for lunch.
Can I make you a sandwich?
Yes, please make me a sandwich.
Can I make you a sandwich?
Yes, please make me a sandwich.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I want some ice cream.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I want some ice cream.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Would you like some soup?
Yes, soup would be nice.
Would you like some soup?
Yes, soup would be nice.
Is it hot enough for you?
Yes, it's hot enough.
Is it hot enough for you?
Yes, it's hot enough.
Do you want sugar in your tea?
No sugar for me, thanks.
Do you want sugar in your tea?
No sugar for me, thanks.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a little thirsty.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a little thirsty.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast this morning.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast this morning.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal for breakfast.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal for breakfast.
Do you like this flavor?
Yes, I like this flavor.
Do you like this flavor?
Yes, I like this flavor.
Did you eat vegetables?
Yes, I ate vegetables at lunch.
Did you eat vegetables?
Yes, I ate vegetables at lunch.
Would you like more salt?
No, the salt is fine.
Would you like more salt?
No, the salt is fine.
Is this enough for you?
Yes, this is enough for me.
Is this enough for you?
Yes, this is enough for me.
Can you pass the salt?
Sure, here's the salt.
Can you pass the salt?
Sure, here's the salt.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
Is it time for lunch?
Yes, it's lunchtime now.
Is it time for lunch?
Yes, it's lunchtime now.
Do you want an apple?
Yes, I want an apple.
Do you want an apple?
Yes, I want an apple.
Can I get you a glass of water?
Yes, please get me some water.
Can I get you a glass of water?
Yes, please get me some water.
Why aren't you drinking anything?
I'm not thirsty right now.
Why aren't you drinking anything?
I'm not thirsty right now.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I brought my lunch.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I brought my lunch.
What's in the cupboard?
There are biscuits in the cupboard.
What's in the cupboard?
There are biscuits in the cupboard.
Do you like this dish?
Yes, I love this dish.
Do you like this dish?
Yes, I love this dish.
Who made this?
My mom made this.
Who made this?
My mom made this.
Did you try the cake?
Yes, the cake is delicious.
Did you try the cake?
Yes, the cake is delicious.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Why did you leave the table?
I was done eating, so I left the table.
Why did you leave the table?
I was done eating, so I left the table.